Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. As promised, I'm back with another video on scholarships abroad. In my previous video, I spoke about 4 to 5 different scholarships that I know people have received to study in the US, Germany, Singapore and other European nations. To check that video out, I've linked it in the description below for you. In this video, I'm going to talk about various other scholarship schemes that you can explore specifically to study in the US. So without further delay, let's get started. Most of us wish to pursue our undergrad or masters in the US because of the immense opportunities that are available there. But the only thing that makes us doubt our dreams or hesitate in taking this decision is the crazy amount of fees. If you're planning to do your undergrad in the US, then you can expect to spend somewhere between 1 to 1.2 crores. While if you're planning to do your masters in the US, then the range would be somewhere between 30 to 40 lakhs. If I'm being very honest with you, right in the beginning of this video, it is difficult to get a scholarship to study in the US. But if your profile is excellent, if you have good academic scores, then you can definitely get that scholarship. So what I personally feel is that it's important to try, right? So that's why I'm going to share all the different scholarship options that are available, because if you do get them, then you can actually save a lot of money on your education. So let's get started. First is the FulbrightNehru Fellowship program. This scholarship scheme is available for students planning to go for a master's or a doctoral program in the US. The scheme covers tuition fees, health insurance and living expenses as well. To be eligible for this scholarship, you need to be an Indian resident with excellent academic records and strong English proficiency. Now, one catch with this scholarship is that it is not available for science or engineering programs. It's more applicable for arts and social sciences fields like arts and culture management, economics, environmental studies, journalism and mass communication, etc. To apply for this scholarship or know more details, you can go to the USIEF website. I've linked it down in the description below for you. The next one is the AAUW scholarship program. Now this scheme is applicable to women candidates who wish to research and study in the US. It's open to all undergrad and postgrad programs of any field. So I think that's a major plus of this scholarship scheme. So Indian women candidates who have excellent academic records, good English proficiency and are less than 30 years of age can apply for the scholarship. To know more details, scholarship requirements, you can visit their website, which is auw.org. I've linked it in the description below for you. Another very interesting scholarship scheme is the You Are Welcome Here scholarship. This is a social media and scholarship campaign started very recently to promote the fact that US institutions are diverse, friendly, safe and committed to student development. Under this scholarship scheme, you receive a 50% tuition fee waiver. Now this particular scheme is applicable for undergrads only. So basically students who wish to pursue their undergrad in the US can apply for the scholarship. Now the only drawback I feel of this scholarship is that because it's recently launched, it doesn't have a lot of institutes on board. There are only 50 to 60 institutions which are also not among the top universities. So if you still want to know more details or see the list of institutions, you can go to their website. I've linked it in the description for you. The next one is the Stanford Reliance Dhrubai Fellowship. This fellowship program was started by Dhrubai Industries to help Indian students aspiring to pursue their MBA from Stanford, with the condition that they should come back to India to stay and work. Under this scholarship scheme, 80% of the tuition fees is waived off. So students who are eligible to study in Stanford University for their MBA program, lack financial support but have excellent academic records can apply for the scheme. To know more details, you can check out their website. The link is in the description. Apart from these, there are 2 other scholarship schemes which you can explore. First one is the Hubert Humphrey Scholarship. It is for 10-month non-graduate degree programs in the US. And second one is the IEFA scholarship. Now this is for summer programs in the US for high school students. And now for those planning to pursue their higher studies abroad, I have something very exciting to share with you, which is the Niyo Global account. It's a savings account powered by the State Bank of Mauritius. It comes with a Visa debit card called the Niyo Global Card. With this savings account, your parents can load money in INR, and when you travel abroad, you can pay your tuition fees, accommodation bookings, everything through this card. I think this is the best feature because your parents don't have to go through the hassle of converting currencies or take the risk of carrying large amounts of cash with you while you travel. Now, personally, my favorite part about this account is that you get complimentary lounge access. And I feel it is so important to have that, especially when you have long layovers during international travel. So I would definitely recommend taking this card if you are planning to study abroad because of the ease of transactions wherever you go. To know more about this Niyo Global account and the Niyo Global Card, you can check out the link in the description below. And now, thank you so much for watching this video, and I wish you have a fantastic career ahead.